Welcome to my weekly analysis video where I look at possible trading opportunities for this week. Carrying over from last week, I still have one trade that is currently open. Last week I entered long on the British pound Australian dollar when I see the price was stalling right above 1.8140 support area. So we have an indecision candle followed by a move that breaks the high of that, and that's where I entered the trade. As of right now, the trade is looking okay. The support zone is holding. However, yesterday's candle and Friday's candle shared almost the same high and the same low, which tells me that there could be minor resistance at 1.8270 area. I'm gonna wait until today's candle finishes. I want to see buyers pushing up, making a new high, and being able to close above this minor resistance area. Otherwise, I think buyers could be running out of time. But for now, nothing to do, and I wait to see how it ends today. So I've got 4 currency pairs on my chart for this week. The first one is the Australian dollar Japanese yen. Now this pair has been sitting on support at 75.40 for almost 4 weeks now. There was one occasion where sellers were able to break below that. However, the move didn't last long. This was the break here. As soon as that happened, buyers came in and managed to push price above it. Since then, it has been ranging, mostly sitting right above this. So right now, there is nothing that I can see that is tradable. However, I will continue to watch this. And my preference here is to look for an opportunity to go long. I don't know how that would come out as yet, but I'm ready and I will be watching on multiple time frames, looking for the first sign that buyers are able to take control and begin to push price up further. Next is the Australian dollar USD. And for this pair, I've got a possible intraday play for the next couple of days. Looking at the 4-hour chart, I can see a series of higher highs and higher lows. And I've drawn in a very simple trend line which shows that price is about to come back and test that area. This is what I'm looking at. So if this trend line remains active and it remains valid, then I would expect this to hold and this could become a new higher low before price continues to push up. So that's true, price might do this. And this is where I would like to be taking the trade. Like I said, this is an intraday play. It could unfold on a 4-hour chart, and I even go down as low as the 1 hour to look for an entry. So we'll see what happens with this pair over the next couple of days. EURUSD is next, and this pair had broken out above 1.13 resistance on Friday. Yesterday it didn't really do much, however it managed to stay above this, which is always a good sign. What I'm looking for here is I'm looking for an opportunity to go long, and I'm going to be looking at it on the smaller time frame, so anything from 4 hours up. The reason for that is because I'm looking for a continuation of pattern. This is the sort of pattern that I'm looking for. So we have price pushing up, it does a retrace, it makes a few candles where there's really not much happening, followed by one big push up. So to follow with that, we have a push up, retrace. Right now, there isn't much activities. However, this could be the start of another leg up. So if that is the case, this is where I would be interested in taking the trade because the reward to risk ratio is very good. Last but not least, I've got the British pound USD. This pair is approaching resistance at 1.2780, and if it does continues to go up and I can see signs of indecision at resistance, this could be a good opportunity for me to enter short. So I'm going to be watching this on multiple time frame. If that is indeed the case, then I'll be looking for a short to go down from here. That's it for me for this week. Nice and short video. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.